This is the Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate how you connect this smartphone to VPN. So to begin with, we will need to get the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me do exactly that. I will open up the Play Store, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and you have logged into the Play Store with your Google account. Then search for this particular app, then tap on the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. So let's open it. In here, obviously tap on the agree and continue button, then we will need to skip one annoying ad. In here, once you're ready to connect your device to VPN, tap on the caret icon, allow, and wait for this little cute rabbit to connect your device to VPN. As you can see by the icon at the status bar, the VPN connection was successfully established. Now once added, you can change the country. Currently it is connected to the server located in the United Kingdom. So let me change it to, for example, I'll go with US maybe. So I'll tap over here, then US. And as you can see, our VPN gets reconnected to the chosen country, the server. Great success. Now once you're ready to terminate, thus turn off the VPN, tap over here at this cross icon, then go for disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.